Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial for YouTube. YouTube error 153 video player configuration error problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now go to Google Play Store, search YouTube, update YouTube app if available on Play Store. Now press on power button, tap on reset phone normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.